welcome to Gordon Guitar, Burna Boy, Vanilla. So, great song here from Burna Boy. That's why I thought we need this one on Gordon Guitar. So let's start with this one. No need for any capo. 4 chords that goes in the same order, 1 strumming pattern, and that's it. Great. Let's start. A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. There we have it. Play tune, guys. All right, that's the A minor. Then we have next the GB chord. All right, so that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the fourth and final chord will be D7 sus2. Great long name. Why not longer? But this one is open D, second G, first B, and open E. Yeah, so we have that chord progression from the beginning till end. A minor to GB to G to D7. Yeah, so there we have it. Now, what about the strumming? It's very easy. Okay, let's take A minor, that is the first chord, and you will play 2 rounds of this strumming. Okay, so it's down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. That is 1 round, okay, for these chords, or 2 rounds of strumming. So you continue in the same way, 2 rounds of GB, 2 rounds of G, and 2 rounds of D7. So slowly it will be like this, and I will speed up to standard tempo in the second round. Let's go. It was almost the same tempo there, but 2 rounds of that, and that pretty much covers Burna Boy's Vanilla. So good luck with this one. Soft layback song, and give it a try. Play tuned.